Hey guys, it is 11:36 and we're hitting the trail, my dad and wife and I, and we're doing the Tehachapi Mountain Trail, which we've done on video once before, but it was really snowy, so we didn't complete it. So we're gonna try it again now. It's 12:08. Still hiking, obviously. Took a slight detour. Took a wrong turn, but we got back on track. There's definitely some steepness. I didn't remember it being this steep. Some nice views. Good day for a hike. About to hit a little scenic overlook here. Some random building over there. It is 12:51. Nice little overlook here. We reached another sign, which I do remember this. This is where last time we started encountering deeper snow.
0.88 miles to peak.
Fun.
And we have another about 1,000 feet to go. It's going to be a steep 0.88. Boy.
0.88 miles.
This is around where we gave up last time.
After we traveled up it a ways, yeah. Well, we had to give it up because of your guys' boots and stuff. The snow was too deep.
Yeah.
My boots were fine. But yeah.
So we've gone 1,000 feet up in elevation over the last about 1.6 miles. Now we have another 1,000 feet in elevation to go over 0.88 miles.
Oh, fun.
Yeah.
So then. Deep breath.
Get your breath now. Any last words?
I hope to make it.
Beth? The strong silent type. This is very, very steep. Very steep.
Amen.
You know what that means, Dad? It means so be it.
I know. It is.
What?
Stop filming me.
I'm showing people how steep it is. Come on, keep walking. Well, we basically reached the turnaround point. It shows me a little off trail and a little ways from it. I don't know, but we're gonna turn back. Technically, this last little section is private property, so I'm not gonna push my luck any more than I already have. So I'm gonna head back to the others. So we headed down a little after 2. It is now 2:25. It's stinking steep. It's hard not to go flying down the trail. And this is like the scenario where I'm more likely to get blisters because I'm going down steep downhill. I borrowed a trekking pole because I forgot mine, and using that to brake so I don't hopefully get blisters. So it's just after 3 and we are coming to the first lookout spot. The light's looking good. So we are about to exit the trailhead and somebody's blasting music. So that last part was super steep.
See that? 13.
Okay.
14.
Oh, there was 14 also? No. There was 17, 16, now it's 13, 14. There it is. 16.
It must take a different path for that. So we are about to be back. Here's 16 or 15 actually. So how'd you guys like the hike now that we finally did it?
Glad we made it.
What was that, Beth?